Welcome to our tutorial on how to keep your white composite granite sink looking as good as new. Today, focus on the beautiful, stylish composite granite in white color. You'll need two things: Barkeeper's Friend Cleanser and a scouring sponge. Step 1. Sprinkle a generous amount of Barkeeper's Friend onto the scouring sponge. Step 2. Scrub the sink thoroughly with the sponge. Make sure to reach every corner and surface. Step 3. Rinse the sink with water to wash away the grime. Step 4. If necessary, scrub a bit more with the sponge to tackle any stubborn spots. Step 5. Finish off by rinsing the sink thoroughly with plenty of water, ensuring all residue is washed away. Look at that transformation. Your sink is not just clean, it's sparkling, restoring its elegant and stylish appearance. This simple yet effective cleaning routine ensures that your sink remains a centerpiece in your kitchen.